Okay, I'm walking into the northeast section of the parking garage here at Jackson, Tennessee, and you can see there's an area drain right at the entrance. It's not very useful because it's right at the crest in between the concrete and the paving. You can't tell from this, but that is actually a high spot right there, so that's not doing us any good. You can't really tell from this video, but the concrete itself is not in bad shape. You can tell that they're, I can't tell if that's dusting or just dirt, but you can definitely see where the difference between this slab and the slab that we're going to. This is the rain slab. This is the 11,000 square feet that was poured in the rain. You can see that it's got a kind of a orange peel versus a broom finish. Let's see if I can find some spalling here. I haven't seen much spalling at all just yet. There is some right over here by this drain that we just looked at. There's a little bit of spalling there. You can see that this is not very much at all. But you can tell that the finish on this slab is quite a bit different than the finish on the slab that was poured in normal conditions. We're walking towards the west end of the garage, towards the elevator bank. You could kind of see right in this area right here is a broom finish where we obviously, this must have been where we hot shot it and were able to put in a broom finish, because the area behind me that's on the east side of the garage does not have a broom finish. It's more of a rough finish. Almost looks like it's already been sandblasted. You can actually see the aggregate. You can actually see the aggregate, and this is what the whole, probably 80% of this pour looks just like this. One thing that concerns me is the difference in appearance between the pour that we made in the rain and the pour under normal conditions. This is a construction joint between the two pours, and this slab over here has a sheen to it. It's got a broom finish, and you can tell it's sort of a cleaner, slicker, other than the broom finish, than this slab over here. This has got a very dull appearance. So this leads me to believe that this side here has a sealer, and the rain slab does not. It does not look like there's ever been a sealer applied to the rain slab. One more thing I'll point out is these washes. It appears like the washes were poured after the initial pours. right. There's you can't really tell from this video, but there's a discoloration right where my foot is. Right here is about the line between the poured monolithic concrete and this wash strip that kind of slopes up towards the wall. And you can kind of see all the way down that it just looks like it's been poured after the fact. Okay, now this is the area that begins to slope up right at this construction joint. Okay, you can see there's a drain right there, which would be really easy to tie into. And that'll just about do it.